Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Pisces or Mean Rashi Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So now let's get on with the reading for Pisces or Mean Rashi for the month of August 2025. So Pisces, I see you being in company of good people. There is a sense of friendship, there is a sense of sisterhood, there is a sense of mingling with your own people, having a good time, partying. So overall a good energy this month. You will be enjoying a lot of things. You will be celebrating a lot of things. This could mean pregnancy for some of you guys, but overall a sense of celebration will be there. And I also see you working hard for something like something is there that will kind of be a burden to you this month. This thing that you will be forced to take upon yourself, you will be forced to work towards, will cause you some distress, but we'll get into it as we go along. Now we'll look at the other cards now. So now for your career and finance, I see you doing quite well. Financially, you are doing very well. There is stability, there is abundance in your life when it comes to your wealth and like when it comes to your finances. Career wise, I also see you doing I see you doing quite well. If you're a student, I see you have all that you need to make things happen, to grow, to move forward, and attain results. So nothing much to worry about here. Career and financially, like academically, I see you guys doing very well. Overall, the reading is quite positive, and so I really like the reading. But when it comes to your love and relationships, there is something that is completed. Maybe a relationship, like a relationship completion doesn't necessarily mean a breakup, but for many of you, this would mean that you are going to you have completed phase 1 of the relationship and now you're moving on to the phase 2. For many of you, this would mean that you are gonna get married because your whole relation couple part, relationship part is over, and now you're getting into the next part of marriage with the same partner, obviously. So this is good energies. Definitely marriage for many of you. Also, like for some of you, this would mean that you have decided to move away from something with the realization that the thing has run its course, the relationship has run its course, and now you are ready to move on to the next phase of your life, which may be relationship related, which and may not be as well, but you are moving into a new phase in your life when it comes to love and relationships. Health wise, doing well. There is someone who is taking care of you, who is looking out for you, and this person is the reason why you will have a good health this month. Could be your mother, could be your wife, your husband, your father, your sister, but there is someone who is like always there for you to take care of you. It is this month. And just so health wise, no issues. This person will be there to person will kind of act like an guardian angel for you this month when it comes to your health. Now the other energies that will be there is the sun. So positivity and warmth will be there this month. along with like it will be a like a mixed kind of month for you, but mixed in the sense that it will be extremes. Like at in few days, like for few days, you might be feeling very happy and very positive and fulfilled, and in other days you might be feeling sad and disheartened. So it will be a mix of emotions for you this month. So embrace yourself, but overall this is a positive reading, although there is like some pain and sadness involved, some negativity involved, but overall the energies are quite good, so it's not much to worry about, because with the sun card there is always abundance of positivity and warmth. Even if there is a hint of negativity, the overall energy is positive. Now I also see that there could be someone in your life who is very flamboyant, who is very charming and charismatic, and this person might be taking action towards you, or you might be taking action towards this person, but there is definitely action involved here. This could also mean that you taking action towards something not related to love at all, but your career or some other aspect of your life, but there is definitely action that you are going to take this month with the Knight of Wands. So yeah, good. Like this is something that you feel passionate about. This is something that drives you, and so you are willing and you are confident to take action towards it. And I see you doing that exactly, taking action. Now, the energy that you should focus upon this month is the the Seven of Wands. And so, remember, with the Seven of Wands, your enemies will be quite active this month. And this would mean that you will need to stand your ground, you will need to defend your position, you will need to fight them off, fend them off, and don't just let go of things, don't quit. This is a time the universe is asking you to fight back, to hold your position no matter how much opposition you face. So, and obviously, like this card comes as a sign that you will succeed, but you will need to fight back first. So overall, you would say good energies, positive energies, a mix of energies here and there, but overall it's a good energies. So yeah, a good reading for you, Pisces, I would say. Now let's look at what Oracle Guidance card is coming for you this month. For Pisces. Sorry. Yeah. We get inner power. So, give me the courage and the power to do what must be done. So, yeah. Try to focus on your inner power. The universe is asking you to attain focus, attain courage, and also ask the universe to guide you through this process. But this will only happen when you develop and build this courage within yourself to face all the difficulties and all the obstacles that might come your way this month. Although it might not be much this month, but you will still need this courage to move forward. You will need this inner strength of yours to move forward. So yeah, overall a good reading for you, Pisces, and that would be all for you. If the reading resonated with you, do like the video and comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more of such reading. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.